Are you tired of not earning enough income to do the things you love? Are you annoyed by the lack of income to sustain your desired lifestyle? Are you trying to start your online business but you don't know what to do? Well, this is probably the reason why you came here to watch this video. So I won't waste your time. Let me tell you what I would do if I wanted to start making money online right now. But before we start, let me introduce myself and my channel. Welcome to Success Booster Academy. If you are looking to make more money, manage it wisely like a multi-millionaire, and multiply it fast and become financially free, then make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking the button below and then ring the notification bell so you can be notified when we launch new videos. Like you, I wasn't happy because I wasn't making enough money online. And also, I wasn't able to provide to my family. So I was feeling frustrated and unhappy. I tried a lot of ideas, but they didn't work at all. That's why this year, I make it the #1 priority to start my online business and help more people to make more money, manage it like a multimillionaire. And also, I realized there was one thing that was holding me back from making money online. I knew that if I got this one thing right, then I would be able to make enough money online and also be able to provide to my family. So what was this one thing holding me back? The main thing holding me back was lack of focus and distraction. So the first thing I would do if I wanted to start making money online would be to maximize my productivity, because I know it will be very hard to complete tasks if I lack focus and I allow things like distractions and interruptions to distract me from accomplishing my goals. So what distractions and interruptions I'm talking about? I'm talking about consuming too much information that's not relevant for you to make money online. I'm talking about watching TV. Talking about talking to people when you're supposed to be working on ideas to help you make money online, and any other thing that is holding you back from making money online. I will give you 3 tips to help you increase your productivity so you can have more time to focus on making money online. Step #1, find a quiet area where you can work on your making money idea, where you can work on your business idea. Find an area where you can focus on work without being distracted. Personally, I like to make videos online when I'm alone and I'm not being interrupted by my loved ones. So where is your quiet place where you can start working on your business idea? So now pause this video and choose your quiet place so you can sit down and plan your idea on how to make money online. Step #2 is to put your phone on aeroplane mode. The aeroplane mode does not allow your phone to make calls or receive messages. Also, another idea is to put the Wi-Fi off so you cannot get notification either. Every time I'm recording this video, I make sure my notification is off and that my phone is on aeroplane mode, because I don't want to be distracted by phone calls or messages. So make sure you do the same if you really want to make money online. Step #3 is to take regular breaks. If you spend the whole time doing work and not taking enough breaks, you will run out of ideas and have less creativity and be less productive. I like to use the Pomodoro technique. Basically, I set my alarm for half an hour, and then after the half an hour, I take a 5 minutes break. So what can you do during the break? For example, for myself, I like to use the break to drink water, to stretch my legs and my back. Also sometimes use the break to meditate or even to read one of my books. Also sometimes like to listen to audiobook or even talk with my wife on the phone. So you can do whatever you want during the breaks. However, I would recommend you to avoid using devices. The good thing about allocating time to work on your goals, which is to make money online, is that sometimes you get too deep in flow and you forget to take breaks. So if that happens to you, like it happens to me all the time, so what you have to do is to make sure you take 10-minute break to relax. Don't just keep working non-stop without taking break. Again, this is not good for your productivity or your creativity. I have a bonus tip for you. Do you want it? Okay, here it is. Sometimes I use what is called the focus formula. What focus means? Focus means, if you like, F-O-C-U-S means follow, one course until successful. It means that you must follow only one business model at a time. My favorite business models are digital products such as ebook and coaching programs. Don't try different models, different online models at the same time. Don't do what many people do and they end up doing nothing, because too many ideas is not good. Just follow one thing, and then after you master this one thing, and then you can do something else after. If you want to know more about focus and why focus is the billionaire's #1 secret, then make sure you watch the video coming on the top right corner. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you subscribe to Success Booster Academy if you haven't done so, and then share this video with only 3 people you know need to make more money, manage it wisely like a multi-millionaire, and also multiply it faster. My goal is to help you achieve financial freedom. So make sure you continue to support me so I can help you to achieve your goals. What's #1 thing you're going to start doing from now? Or are you going to follow the focus formula to choose only one business model to work on, or working with different models at the same time? That's your choice, but make sure you choose the right one.